The parts are in. We got all the spark plugs. We got to take these bolts off. I got to take this balance tube off. I got the O-rings for the balance tube. Got all the spark plugs. Got all the parts. So we should be good to install the spark plugs. Now, I got to find his name. I'm going to shout you out for saying that the fuel injectors is probably what's going on. Hold on. The spark, not just spark plugs, it's probably also the fuel injectors. So I don't know, should I get a compression test? I don't know if I should waste my money on a compression test. Maybe I'll do the fuel injectors next. Fuel injectors and valve covers. I think the motor is fine, y'all. So let's dive into it. A little bit of oil. A little bit of oil in here, man. Dang. Not good. So we know for sure the valves is leaking. Focus. We got the right plugs. PFR 6G. And we can get over here. Like I said, spin this back a bit. See if we can get it off. Hey, should get on here. Spin it. Alright, there we go. We got new O-rings. Look how oily it is, y'all. I mean, obviously, we got the valve cover leaks, but the balance tube is up. And again, I got a new O-rings. Knee O-rings, both sides. Ran into a small hiccup. Couldn't get this out, so I had to unhook it first. And then we gotta pull it out. I expect this one to be oily as well. I expect all of them to have a lot of oil on them. These valve cover gaskets need to be replaced. I was thinking about trying to do it myself, but man, it's a lot to get these valve covers off, especially the plenum. This right here, I don't know if I'm gonna attack that by myself. I might just take it to a shop and just leave it there and let them deal with it. Might do the fuel injectors and the valve covers at the same time. That would make sense. I don't know, y'all. I'm just rambling right now and just going through my thoughts. Again, just got this joint. So I don't really know how we going. Okay, there's some oil on this one. Not as much as the first one. Yeah. Never mind. Yeah, we're gonna know it's oil in all of them. Now these already come pre-gap, but look at the difference. These are densos in here. Iridium densos. Yeah, I forgot to stuff those. I just put a microfiber on top of it. Hopefully it's good, but here we go. All of them, y'all, is gonna look like this. All of them gonna look like this for sure. Shout out to Concept Z on the spark plugs and O-rings. Put those in there next. New O-rings in. All right, we got the right side fully done. We're gonna head over and pretty much do the same thing to the left side. I ain't gonna show that. I'll just show once I'm done. Be back in a sec. So here's how they look on the other side. Also, I thought this was oil around here. It's not. It's not oil. But here they are. Just wanted to show y'all that right quick. So one thing I did mess up getting this one out was the small vacuum line. I think this is a vacuum line. But good thing I do have a vacuum hose coming for the sub. So once that come, I believe tomorrow, I'll just stick that on there. Dang. All right, y'all, we got a issue. We got an issue. This screw will not go back in. Make sure I don't drop that joint down. But this screw will not seat all the way in. Dang. Got a stripper taken out. Bro, this is awful. This is awful. And this vacuum in here. Jeez. I don't know what to do, but we just gonna, I don't know, maybe leave. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Don't have an impact gun, but I'm gonna try to get us a try. Try to tighten up all the other bolts and do that one last. See what happens. Nope, not enough power, y'all. Dang. Yeah, I'm upset about this. I don't know. If I strip it, I'll strip it. But it definitely wasn't this hard going in. I mean, getting it off. This gonna be stripped. I know it is. Oh, think positive. It's not gonna be stripped. It's not gonna be stripped. Keep thinking positive. It's gonna be good. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down like Young Jock, y'all. Oh, I think we got it. Oh, snap. I think we got it, y'all. I think we got it. Dang, we got it. Oh man, this joint was H-E-L-L. And I had another casualty, y'all. Man, that bolt right there, it dropped and didn't fall through. Oh, I'm pissed. But I was able to get that on there as best as I could. I at least want to crank it up and see. I don't know, will it mess up because that bolt not on here? We're about to see. About to see. Dang. I'm kind of pissed, y'all. Oh man. All right. Just want to make sure all of them tight. Before we crank this joint up. Y'all think that one bolt is gonna do me wrong? I don't know. I guess there's only one way to find out, right? All right, here we go. One last look. I believe everything else is right. Hold on. What's this? What is this to? Okay. I think that went to the valve cover too. Alright. Alright, let's crank it up. Here goes nothing. Coil pack is loose a little bit, but it's running. Still got that little stumble. I guess that's the feeling difference. Alright. Some of the wires from the spark plugs. It's like this little cover. I had to redo that. Just bear with me, y'all. I had to move my stick around that I got this on. Y'all see this one? Right here. Looks different than all the others. Somebody must have dropped it too. So I'm gonna take this out and go to the hardware store and try to match it up. Both says 8.8 on it. I went and bought some crusher washers too. 8.8. Can y'all see that? You can see both of them, right? Here's the test. And it fits. So we all good, y'all. We are good. Shout out to Home Depot for the rescue. Home Depot. Next stop, AutoZone. Return back the spark plug socket since I already had one. Let me get my $10 back. All right, there we go, y'all. Put a crusher washer on here and another washer, so hopefully we should be good. But it fits. All right, here we go, y'all. Startup number 2. Just looking. Obviously the wash is a little different, but we're still good. As long as they on there tight. Good, y'all. No lights on the dash. Straight. Take y'all inside. On the dash, and we good. We're good. 72 miles. I didn't put. I'll probably put maybe almost 100 now. Probably about 90 miles on it. And we're gonna keep it like this. We're gonna keep it like this. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I appreciate y'all for watching. Be sure to stay tuned and stick around. Shout out to where my phone at, man. Let me grab my phone. I gotta give a shout out. A couple shout outs right quick. All right, shout out to Young Esquire 1214. He commented on my last video. Good old 300ZX. Also shout out to Kevin UNC 97. He said that's a Z32 non-turbo 300ZX. Man, y'all be knowing y'all cars for real. Just from the dash. I thought I was gonna sneak one by y'all. Nope. That ain't happening. And I also want to shout out another guy. Camera falling over. I want to shout out somebody else, man. He commented exactly what I think is going on with it. No power. No power. He says, sounds like your injectors need to be replaced or vacuum leak. I have a 1992 300ZX twin turbo. Your Z is definitely a keeper. Shout out to you, because that's definitely the next step. Get those injectors done. Injectors and valve cover leaks. Want to get both of those done next. So that's gonna be it for this video. Appreciate y'all. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one of this journey with the 300ZX or the Saab, or I don't know, it might be something else coming to the channel, right? You never know, you never know, you never know. All surprises here. Just never know. But appreciate y'all for joining the journey. I'll see you on the next one. And as I always say, stay powered, stay motivated. Salute.